Conversation 1.
So what foods do you like?
I like ice cream and pizza and apples.
Oh, I like those foods too.
What foods do you like?
Hmm. I like fish, vegetables, and bananas.
Together?
No, not together.
Conversation 2.
What drinks do you like?
I like tea and I like juice.
Ooh, hot tea or cold tea?
Both. What about you?
I like coffee and hot chocolate.
Ooh, I like both too. Conversation 3.
What desserts do you like?
I really like ice cream.
Ooh, what flavor do you like?
I like strawberry. I like vanilla too.
Nice. I like cake and I like pie.
What kind of pie?
I really like apple pie with ice cream.
Yum! Conversation 4.
What snacks do you like?
I like to eat fruit.
Oh, yeah? What fruits do you like?
I like apples and oranges. And you?
I like strawberries and watermelon.
Do you like to eat cookies?
Of course! I love chocolate chip cookies.
Me too. Conversation 1.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, I take a shower, I get dressed, and I eat breakfast.
Oh, when do you get up?
I get up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
I know. I like mornings though. Conversation 2.
What do you do during the day?
Well, I go to school. I teach students.
Ooh, what do you teach?
I teach maths. What do you do?
I work at a bike shop.
Really? What do you do at the shop?
I fix and sell bikes.
Sounds fun. Conversation 3.
What do you do at lunch?
I eat with my friends. And you?
I eat in the park.
That's nice.
Yeah, I like to read on my lunch break.
Ooh, what do you read?
I read about history.
Interesting. Conversation 4.
What do you do on the weekend?
I play sports at the park. How about you?
I study at the library.
Oh, right. You love books.
Yeah. So, what sports do you play?
I play soccer with my friends.
Sounds fun.
It is. Conversation 1.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I do. I really love basketball.
Do you play on a team?
Yes, but we do not play in winter.
Oh, do you play in summer?
Yes, we play in spring and summer.
Do you play at the gym in town?
No, we play at a high school. Conversation 2.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. What about you? Do you?
I don't have a cat, but I have a dog.
Nice. Do you have a big yard?
Yes, I have a big yard, so it is perfect for my dog.
Yeah, I don't have a yard, so I can only have a cat. Conversation 3.
Do you cook much?
Yes, I cook all the time. Do you cook?
No, I don't like to cook very much.
Oh, so do you buy your dinner?
Yes, I buy it at the supermarket.
Do you buy dinner every night?
Yes, I never cook.
Wow, that is expensive. Conversation 4.
Do you live downtown?
Yes, I live near the train station.
Do you take the train to work?
Yes, most days. What about you?
I live far away, so I drive to work.
Do you have a nice car?
No, my car is old, but I like it.
Thanks for watching today's lesson.
We hope these conversations help you practice real English.
Keep practicing a little every day.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video.